the journey to Mysore begins. Hi guys, I'm Himanshu Kabra and this is my channel. So today we'll be traveling to Mysore. Guys, this is Ramnagar. This is the place where Sholay was shot.
Here's a sugarcane plantation. And this is the Kaveri River. It's one of the most important rivers of South India. One among the 7 holy rivers of India.
And we have arrived at Mysore station.
A few moments later.
We are right now at the Saint Philomena's Church. It's a marvelous building, it's a marvelous church. Yes, right now I'm at the front entrance of the Saint Philomena's Church. You can have a look at it. It's a wonderful building. Guys, do comment down and let me know what is this. Whose is this statue of? I guess is it like baby Jesus or something? I don't know. I have no idea. Please let me know down in the comments.
लेफ्ट साइड में देख ऐसे स्टेप्स वाइज है ऊपर
This is the Kaveri River. We have come to Venugopal Swami temple. This is in the backwaters of the KRS Dam. Let me show you guys the view from here, the backwaters. This is the temple. Backwaters में छत करनी नहीं बेटा. अगर हाँ क्योंकि ये देखो यहाँ डेंजर लिखा हुआ है ना, तो आई गेस अगर वाटर लेवल कम होता होगा क्योंकि दिस हैज बीन इरेक्टेड राइट नाउ क्योंकि टेम्पररी फेंसिंग है. चलो थोड़े तो ठंडा सा टेंट है. द फ्लोर वाज बर्निंग. जगह ऐसा क्यों होता है? Guys, in the temple we weren't allowed to film. Let me just tell you what was there in the temple. In the temple we had the prime attraction was Venugopal Swami's idol, which was surrounded by the idols of the Navagrava and the goddesses of the 7 rivers, which are considered to be holy in India. Along with that, we had the idols of the great Maharishis, the idol of Dattatreya and Subramanyam Swami. This is the temple's side view. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so beautiful. The calmness of this place is really good. Now we are entering the Vrindavan Garden. Let's climb the stairs ना. We'll have the whole view मतलब अच्छे से टॉप से आपको अलग व्यू मिलेगा ना देखने के लिए.
Some of the fountains in this garden work depending upon the water pressure in the night. Since it has rained a lot over the past few days, a good amount of water is present in the QRS dam, due to which all the fountains are working properly.
यहाँ बैठते टाइम ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा पीछे ना गिर जाओ कहीं. अब होने लगी है यहाँ बारिश.
इतनी इतनी तेज नहीं आएगी बारिश, अभी बंद हो जाएगी, चिंता मत करो.
Guys, it's raining and we are sitting here. See how long do we sit here?
बस यही आ रही है, थोड़ी देर आ रही है, तेज नहीं है बारिश तो
Guys, अभी यहाँ की लाइट चली गई है.
अभी शायद वो चेंज होगा.
Vrindavan Garden has no electricity right now. Wow.
अंदर दिख रहा है.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा व्यू है.
लवली, वो ग्रीन लाइट भी ला रही है ना. हाँ.
Dam looks really good. Has been lighted with the tricolor. Guys, now I'm going to the musical fountain show. We have decided to take a boat. Here's the dam. Garden is at one end and the musical fountain is at the other end. There is a decent amount of distance that you need to walk. Now we are waiting. भाइयों और बहनों, boys and girls, men and women, the musical fountain was really good. It was truly worth the walk. पॉपकॉर्न ले लिए है, खाने के लिए चलना है।